Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on Excel. My name is Nona. First, I want to say a big thank you to everyone who subscribed to my channel. I absolutely appreciate. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for the feedback, I totally appreciate. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a video. Now this video is not going to be long, okay? I'm just going to be showing you how you can unhide multiple sheets at the same time. Now at first glance it sounds like, oh, that should be something very easy, yeah, but when I tried to do it, I mean, it wasn't as easy as I thought. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. Okay, now we have a workbook. Okay, now in this workbook we have 7 sheets. Okay, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, all the way to sheet 7. Now if I want to hide a particular worksheet, all I need to do is hover over that sheet and then right mouse click and then click on hide. Okay, so I've hidden sheet 2, and then if I want to unhide the sheet, I just need to right mouse click on any of the sheets and then come to unhide. I see like this sort of text box, and then I see the sheet, and then I just click on OK. All right, that was easy, right? Now we're going to hide multiple sheets and see if we can do the same thing to multiple sheets. Now I'm going to select sheet 2 all the way to sheet 7. Now one shortcut, one way you can do it is click on sheet 2, hold down shift, and then just click on the last sheet. Now because all these sheets are in sequence, everything is selected. Then right mouse click and then click on hide. Now you cannot hide all the sheets in Excel, okay, because you're not going to have a workbook, so you can only hide every other sheet and one sheet must remain. Okay, so we have 6 sheets that we've hidden. Now the challenge is, how can we unhide all of them at the same time? Now if we right mouse click and click on unhide, now we see this text box, but it doesn't allow us to select multiple at the same time, so we have to do it one after the other. Now imagine if we hid 50 sheets, so we're going to have to be doing it one after the other. Okay, that's not efficient, so I'm going to show you how you can do it. Okay, now you can write a VBA code to do it, and or create a macro button that can do it. Okay, now but I know a lot of people don't like to code and VBA and all of that. No, for you to do this, actually you need to use the VBA environment. Okay, now but we're not going to write any complex code. Okay, so we're going to open the VBA environment, and the way we do that is you can press Alt F11. Okay, that's one way, and then the other way you can do it very simply is just come to your sheet, right mouse click, and then where you see view code, just click on it, and then you're already in the VBA window. Now when you open this environment, you should see the immediate window, because this is what we are going to use. Now if you don't see the immediate window, just come to view and make sure that the immediate window is selected. That's all you need to do. Okay, so now in the immediate window we're going to write a simple code. Okay, and what we're going to say is simple. We're just going to say we're going to use a for loop for each. Okay, now we're going to use sh as a sheet object. Okay, meaning that, okay, this is a sheet in all the sheets, or in all the worksheets, so we're looping through all the worksheets. Okay, it's a simple code. Even if you don't understand, I'll leave the code in the comments. Just copy and then just paste it and then hit enter, and it does the job. So you really don't need to understand all of this, but this is what you're going to do. Okay, for each sheet, okay, which is, I put it as sh. You can use whatever alphabet you want to use, or however you want to represent it. For each sheet in worksheets, okay, and then instead of hitting enter, we're just going to put a colon, okay, and then write the next thing, which is sheet, which is the object, okay, dot visible, and then we say equals to true, and then just put next, because for every for loop you have to, yeah, because we're doing it for each sheet. Okay, and then you just do next sh. Okay, next sheet in the worksheet. Okay, so with this simple piece of code here, this is all you need, and then just hit enter, and we click on the Excel button here to take us back to the worksheet, and now you can see we have all the sheets. Okay, so that is how to unhide multiple sheets at the same time. Now if you have another way of doing it, please leave it in the comment section below. I'm going to leave this code too, so you can just copy it and just apply it. Okay, thank you for watching.